Hey you guys, we're here today with an epic video planned. We have so many amazing skaters in the Braille house today that we're gonna take all their talents, especially this guy right here, and we're gonna go to a brand new skate park. This video is sponsored by TicWatch E2 by Mob Boy. It's this watch right here. This is the model E2, and this is a smartwatch, and it's gonna get us where we need to go, and it's gonna help Fetty live his life in the best way possible.
I feel like Kim Possible.
Wow. You really are, dude. So this watch has up to 2 days of battery life. It has a really sick health and fitness companion, meaning it can take your heart rate, it counts your calories, all that good stuff. Built-in GPS, it also has Google Assistant, so it's good for any athlete on the go. We just happen to be skateboarders and we're gonna use it to our advantage. That's right. It also has something called Tick Motion, which is hands-free sports fitness tracking. So it basically uses Mob Boy's AI to detect automatically what sport you're partaking in. And last but not least, it's waterproof up to 50 meters, which Fetty, I think we're gonna have a really fun time with.
We could dip my hand in a pond.
Fetty goes fishing with the watch.
Well said.
Fetty's gonna be wearing this watch today while we go skate the new San Ramon skate park. And yeah, we're gonna track his heart rate. We're gonna do a bunch of really cool stuff while we're skating. But Fetty, I need you to use the Google Assistant right now and find out where the heck we're going because we are directionally challenged. Oh, I'm so excited. Hi, Nigel.
Okay, Google, how do I get to San Ramon skate park?
Oh, I'm so excited.
Damn. there it is.
34 minutes, 28.5 miles.
Yeah, not too far.
All right. All right, well, we have a better understanding now of where we need to go, right?
Let's round them up.
The watch did tell us where we need to go, and now we can finally attempt to go round up the like 25 people inside of there, which is going to be way harder than anything I've done in the last 4 years.
I'm colored.
No, dude, I'm like a...
We gonna need some wax here.
Oh, got plenty of that.
Hello, Gabe.
You know this watch is waterproof, right?
Is it waterproof?
Yes, it is. Up to 50 meters.
I don't think we got 50 meters of water here, but
you know
there's a
we do
water
have.
fountain.
Yes, there is.
Shall we go test it out?
Yes. Oh, I'm so excited
Why are you excited, Gabe?
because I like water.
Are we ready?
Yeah. Whoa. Oh, yes.
How long do I go for?
Whatever feels right.
Okay, Google, what's the temperature? 68 degrees.
68 degrees? Dude, it literally feels like it's like 95 out here.
For real. All right, over here. The watch has brought us to San Ramon skate park.
Hi, Doug. All right, Fed, you want to take us on a tour?
So here we have this 7 stair, and it comes equipped with a crisp McNugget.
Isn't this a 6?
It is a 6.
I don't know, I can't count. There's a jet ledge, it's kind of scary. And there's a front side hubba. Very nice, very nice. We have this very steep incline of ramp transition. Another big quarter pipe section with another jet ledge, which I want to hit this at some point.
You do?
I want to grind it. Then we have flat ground mania right here.
That's what I like.
Right here, look at this. Up this and land like kind of like a hip kind of thing.
Yeah.
Cool, pretty cool. Or you can trick into this bank. We have a ledge, a rail, flat bar rail, and another ledge over there. Then we go this way. We have this curved manual pad thing. I do want to back 50 the whole thing. Then we have a bowl, small bowl. Careful, Gabe, you're close to the edge.
This is huge.
That's not that big. San Ramon skate park, and there goes Carlos. That water is pretty refreshing though.
Good.
And look at, watch still works.
Heart rate? I know that's your favorite thing.
It is my favorite thing. Alright, so they also have a fit workout. They have literally every activity you could possibly have. And then you go to other workouts, and they have all of this. All of it. And they even have skateboarding right there.
So what happens if you click it?
Oh, I gotta put my height and my weight. Alright, what's this? Your activity goal is 60 move minutes.
I believe it uses AI to track the movement based on what activity you're doing.
So like it knows that I'm skateboarding.
Yes.
Wow. Can track
Wow.
your speed, how many calories you burn, your heart rate. Mine's at 93 right now.
And that's called Google Fits Skateboard Sports Tracking.
Then I will just hit start workout and get to skateboarding.
Hello, Chris.
Hi, how's it going?
Hi.
How you doing?
I'm fantastic. Happy to have you in this video,
I'm
even though
stoked to be
people already
here.
saw you. Hi, Doug.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm pretty good.
Welcome to this video.
Thank you.
Hi, Carlos. Uzi,
Yes.
what are you doing, man?
I thought if I ate this orange, it would make me less thirsty.
It's a cutie!
Hi, Nigel.
Hello. I'm getting upset at the fact that he keeps calling it an orange and it's a cutie.
You're a cutie. And the man of the hour, Donovan Strain.
What up? This is my lawyer, Carlos.
Legal action. Come to Carlos.
Accidents and mesothelioma, whatever that one's called.
Just short case.
555. Call Cthulhu.
1-800-Cthulhu.
So what are we doing here, man? We're at San Ramon Skate Park.
Well, everyone is gonna pick an obstacle, and everyone's gonna skate that obstacle.
You want to see something first try down to 6?
Yeah, I do.
What you want?
Whatever you want, baby.
First try down to 6? Try flip.
He got vitamin C, so he's ready.
Try.
We'll end with the 6, but Nigel, go ahead and flex, my dog.
You want it first try?
I got the screen up.
Ow! I almost did it.
Whoa. Oh, you know this is not Braille house ground. That burned. See that?
That was great.
Whoa!
That was so weird.
Yeah! Jeez.
Okay.
What is up with you today?
I don't know.
Oh my God. What? Jeez.
That's right, Nugget.
Yeah. Wow. Right here, next try we got you lunch. Lunch and $10.
As soon as he said $10 and lunch, it was
I
nothing.
got you, dude. I got you.
I'll do anything for $10.
TM after
With that, we're moving on to the next portion, just in this general area right here. Yeah! Yes, Petty.
It's right there.
Thanks, brother.
Wow, that was fast. Yeah, dog. You looking good, Nigel. You looking good.
I forgot Fetty waxed it, right? Oh, I held on to that for my life.
Yeah. Yeah.
For you.
Yeah,
There you
you
go.
did that. Oh!
That's the record so far. That's the record. Beat it.
Yeah!
Beat it.
I think that's the record! If you ever wondered who's the actual skater here at Braille, it's Nigel. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh! Yeah! Woo!
You're my hero.
Move on after this try, Carlos. Oh! Yeah, Chris. Oh!
I don't like it. I gotta do another.
Uzi, don't start, man. Don't let it happen to you.
What?
The most stairs done is dug in. Wait, what? I said the most stairs done has dug in 4 years. Oh no. Gee.
Oh yeah, you're wild.
Yeah, Fetty. Oh! One more, and then everyone's done. I would count that. I count that 100%. Yeah!
That's my boy.
All right, Fetty, so you can change the watch faces on this, yeah?
Yes, you can. Right here on this app. This is the Wear OS app by Google. So you could also text people straight from your watch. Voice commands.
All right, well, let's see which one you got right now.
I got that fancy looking one, you know. And then you just go to here, watch faces. And look at that. Got all these different watch faces. I like this one too.
Wow. Change it up there right quick.
All right. Oh.
Oh,
Hang
that's
on.
sick.
Hang on, let's change it to a different one. Oh.
Oh. There's some videos right there. Go ahead and click them. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and go to brailleskateboarding.com to learn how to skate like these guys who absolutely killed it in this video. You guys are the best. That was good,
Thanks.
right?